Welcome to Tips and Tricks from Twin Busch. We will show you the emergency release on the S3.5-10 E scissor lift. If we want to lower the vehicle in some way in case there's a power failure and our vehicle is lifted up, there's a way to do it without electricity. For such cases, all of our lifts have an electric release valve with an emergency release function. I'll show you where it's installed on the S3.5-10 E. Under this service hatch, which will be removed, and then you'll see the emergency release valve. I'll show you how it's opened. The service hatch on the front of the control unit is unscrewed. Here's the emergency release valve. The magnetic coil is mounted on it. Just reach inside and remove the fastening nut for the magnetic coil. And then we get to the red button. In this case it's the release valve with the bayonet system. This means the red button can be pushed somewhat. And if you push the button and turn it counterclockwise, towards the left, the hydraulic circuit is opened and the lift is lowered. But before you carry out the emergency release, you have to make sure that the safety catches on the lift are unlocked. A cable tie trick can help here. The safety catches on the lift must not engage when lowering. So you have to make sure somehow that the safety catches are blocked in a lifted position. So we just take a cable tie. And fix the safety catches on both sides to the scissor mechanism. The safety catches cannot engage now and the car can be lowered. Twin Busch uses two versions of the electromagnetic release valve. One version is opened by simply turning the red button counterclockwise. And it's closed by turning clockwise. The second version is opened by pushing the red button and then turning it counterclockwise. The button jumps out a bit then.
Reingedrückt und gegen den Ölsöger nach links gedreht. Der Knubbel springt etwas raus. Schließen des
The valve is closed through the opposite process. Push the button and then turn it clockwise completely.